Hello students, today we are going to learn about the next topic of chapter 10. Okay, and the topic is nomenclature. Nomenclature of haloalkane and haloalkane. Okay, in last class we was discussed the topic about the common nomenclature and IUPAC nomenclature also. Okay, and in IUPAC nomenclature I was given some examples. Now we are discussing another example. Okay, so this is example C. Even this kind of nomenclature will come in exam. Then how can you write the name of this compound? Okay, first you decide that which one is the longest chain. Okay, this one is the longest chain, or this one, or this one, or this one. Okay, and the second important thing is this: the counting will started from where the halogen are joined. Okay, this is the halogen group. We also call the functional group. Okay, and chlorine joined with this carbon. It means you give first number to this carbon, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 carbon in a chain, and you say that this is the longest chain. Okay, according to rules, first you write the halogen, after then branch, and then chain. Okay, chlorine joined with first number, then write 1 chloro. In IUPAC nomenclature, chloride called chloro or halide called halo. Okay, 1 chloro. Then there are 2 branches, first one and second one. Okay, and both are joined with same carbon in second number. So you write 2, 2. Okay, 2, 2. And there are 2 methyl groups. It means what you say, di. Okay, single methyl or single branch is called mono. Even 2 are added, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta. Okay, this is a nomenclature. Then 2, 2, di. Okay, and both are the same group. And what is the name of the branch? Is methyl. So 2, 2, dimethyl, and 5 carbon in a chain. So you write pentane. Okay, pentane. And because all the carbon having a single bond, or you say that carbon are joined with each other with the single bond. Okay, so this is the nomenclature. Another nomenclature we see with the double bond. Okay, I will write one question with the double bond. And how can you write the name, or you find the name of the compound? So question is, just like this. Okay, this is the question, and in this question there are 2 important points. First one is this functional group. Okay, and second one is double bond. So the question is this: the counting will started from which side? Okay, so you see that in last question we started the counting where the functional group are near. But in this question, you see that there are double bond also. Okay. So in double bond and halogen, you give preference to double bond. Okay. So you're counting from the side where the double bond is there. So you see from there 1, 2, 3. Double bond in third carbon, and from there 1, 2. So double bond is near from there. Okay. So you're counting count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And then you write the name. Then we know that first we write the halogen as a halo. And what is the number of halogen? 1 fluoro. Then there are 5 carbon. Then you write pen. Okay. And you see the double bond is present in the second number. So you write 2 in 1 fluoro pen 2 in. Or the second name of this compound is 1 fluoro 2 pentene. Both are the correct. Okay. So this is the nomenclature. Then the third one. Third nomenclature with the benzene ring. I will write. Third nomenclature with the benzene ring. Okay. And the nomenclature is, the compound is this is. Okay. You see that this is a benzene ring, this is a carbon, and there is a CH3 twice and Cl. Okay, so this is a question. You see that there are benzene ring, then carbon, then CH3 twice, then Cl. Okay. Before the naming of this compound, first you show the structure of this compound. Okay. What is the structure? So I will show you. This carbon having a 2 methyl group from there, and second from there. Okay, and 1 chlorine also. Okay, this carbon having a 2 methyl group, this both, and 1 chlorine also, because the valency of carbon is 4. Okay, 4 times 3, which means 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then you start the nomenclature. In the nomenclature, first you see which carbon having a functional group. The carbon having a functional group, it means this carbon is a main chain, or you say that alpha carbon. Okay, so you see that this carbon having a functional group, it means this is a chain and this is a branch. Okay, this carbon having a functional group, it means this is a chain, and the chain is a chain with the 3 carbon, and the benzene is a functional group. Okay, so we write the name. We starting from there because we want a longest chain. So 1, 2, and 3. Chloro is in second number. So 2 chloro, and phenyl group is also in second number. So you write 2 phenyl, and then how many carbons are there? 3. It means propane. This is the nomenclature.